Good day, everyone. This is Group ID TF7 from the ID 304 class, and today we are going to present our work that we have done on the video streaming assignment. So, first and foremost, we shall have a look at the server side. We have provided the server port number as a system argument, and then we make an RTSP socket and bind it to the server port. Then we start accepting the client connection request, and the info shall be stored in the client info dictionary, and then the server shall start running. Now, in the server worker.python file, we are initializing the essential methods first. The init state is set as the current state, and for each client, uh, for each client, we will make a thread using which we will receive each RTSP request. And then we're going to extract the information for RTSP. Now I shall show you the Python implementation of the uh, code. Uh, so this first line of code we shall run in this terminal, and the second line of code we shall run in the other terminal, which would give us a video player like so, and the buttons are pretty self-explanatory. Just playing the video, just pause and stare down. So that was the Python implementation of the uh, work that we have done. And now, as you can see, we have what's this? Now, as you can see, we have the setup and the sequence number. Um, we have the setup and the sequence number. Now, depending on the state, it shall change accordingly. Uh, like that is pretty self-explanatory in itself. If you would want to have a brief overview of the state change, then it is given in the PDF. Now, coming on to the teardown process, all the allocated resources shall be freed, and the socket is also closed along with it. Now, the send RTP function sends the packets using a UDP from the RTP protocol, and it will get its data from the video stream class and also the frame number on the video stream class here, and also the frame number and the other required data that it needs will be received from this class, basically. And then the reply the data will be sent over to the make RTP function, uh, which will send over. Sorry, the now all that data will be sent over to the client using the make RTP function. And the reply RTSP function is used to check for errors and the other custom functions. The RTP packet class is used for making packets. The RTP packet class. This is used for making packets, and the get packet function will return the whole packet, which also contains the header and the payload. Now we shall have a look at the client side of code. Now we are extract. Now we are extracting the following information, and this is the information that we shall be extracting. And then a new client and a GUI is created using the PK and inter library. Now in the now in client class, we are initializing the essential variables and the current state and the RTSP methods here. The create the create widget function builds the GUI, and the rest of the functions are pretty self-explanatory, so I shall not be going through each one of them. Now we use the send RTSP request function to use methods like play, pause, etc. And we will print the request that we have used on the terminal data here as well. Now, the receive RTSP reply function receives the reply from the server and sends it to the pass RTSP reply function, which uses the sequence number of the packet using split method and array. And if the sequence ID is the same, then the session ID is stored. Now the open RTP port function creates new datagram sockets to receive RTP packets from the server. And lastly, the handler function handles whatever that is being done on the GUI. And that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for listening. That is all from our side, and we hope you liked our presentation.